Planting iris bulbs, a beginner's guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of irises and learning how to plant iris bulbs. This guide is perfect for English language learners who are also gardening enthusiasts. Let's demystify the process and learn some useful English gardening vocabulary along the way. Iris bulbs are actually not true bulbs. They are rhizomes, which are underground stems that grow horizontally and store nutrients for the plant. Irises are beloved for their stunning flowers, which come in a variety of colors and shapes. Understanding the terminology is key. Bulb, a rounded underground storage organ in some plants. Rhizome, a type of stem that grows underground horizontally. Iris, a genus of flowering plants with showy flowers. Timing is crucial for planting irises. The best time is late summer to early fall, ensuring they establish roots before the cold sets in. Choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Irises thrive in well-drained soil. Soggy conditions can cause the rhizomes to rot. Before planting, you should 1. Select healthy rhizomes. Look for firm and blemish-free specimens. 2. Prepare the soil. Loosen the soil and mix in some compost to improve drainage. 3. Plan the spacing. Irises should be planted about 12 to 24 inches apart to allow room for growth. Follow these steps to plant your iris rhizomes. 1. Dig a shallow hole, about 4 inches deep. 2. Create a mound. In the center of the hole, form a small mound of soil. 3. Place the rhizome, situated on top of the mound, spreading the roots down the sides. 4. Cover lightly. Fill the hole with soil so that the top of the rhizome is slightly exposed or just below the surface. 5. Water gently. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Post-planting care is important for the health of your irises. Keep the soil moist but not soaked. As the plants grow, remove any weeds and apply a light layer of mulch to retain moisture. After blooming, cut back the leaves to about a third to promote healthy growth for the next season. We hope this guide helps you feel confident about planting iris bulbs and enriches your English vocabulary with some gardening terms. Happy gardening, and we look forward to seeing your gardens bloom with beautiful irises. Until our next video, keep learning and growing.